In this video, I'm going to be breaking down Halle Berry, the famous actress, her version of a ketogenic diet. Is she onto something or not? Let's take a look. Welcome everyone to my very humble life where my feet are frozen ice cubes. It's cold outside, but I digress. Let's go into this video about Halle Berry breaking down her version of what she thinks a ketogenic diet is. So let me pull her.
I swear by the ketogenic diet.
Okay, so for those who didn't know, Halle Berry is, I believe she's a type 1 diabetic and does a ketogenic diet to try to manage how friggin' high her blood sugar skyrockets as my mom's dog is freaking out. You can't make this stuff up in a handbag, but let's listen to her break it down.
What is that?
It's a diet, simple. It's just no sugar and no carbs. And what you force your body to do is, instead of burning sugar for fuel, you start burning healthy fats like avocado, coconut oil.
Okay, you guys, it's not about having starches and sugars. It's all about eating fat. And she's breaking down like olive oil and nuts and maybe butter. Unfortunately, that is not a ketogenic diet.
Eggs. You start eating healthy fats. Butter can be a part of your diet.
At least she said butter and eggs.
You just eat protein, you eat nuts, legumes, and then you start.
Legumes that's a starch. There is no way in HELL you could ever get into ketosis by eating legumes, which are high in phytic acid and rob your body of magnesium, zinc, and iron. So don't do that.
Teaching your body begins to burn fat instead of sugar. And when you start burning fat, all the fat starts to melt away because your body actually needs that for fuel.
No.
You can eat all the food you want.
Okay.
You don't have, it's not a diet in proportions.
I basically don't do that either.
So many vegetables.
You can eat
Okay, you cannot eat everything that you want or all you want. Unfortunately, that's not how ketogenesis works, but I love Halle Berry, but she is breaking down whatever dietitians have helped her. But you cannot eat as much as possible or as much as you want. You can still eat too much protein. As you guys know, people doing a carnivore diet have their blood sugar skyrocket eating too much freaking protein. And you don't want to eat too many vegetables because for those who've got leaky gut, it can make you bloat like crazy. If your gallbladder is junked up, you could also have problems with the fat on the individual.
big ass
Fish and
What about working
porterhouse
out?
steak if you want.
Right.
You just can't have
There you have it, short, sweet, and to the point. Most people do not understand ketogenesis. I'm talking carnivore gurus. I mean, most of them. Most of them don't actually talk about getting into ketosis by doing a carnivore diet because keto and carnivore are the same diet. You cut out your starches, you cut out your sugars, and you become dependent on using ketones. But unfortunately, most gurus push the high protein rather than the high fat. And that's when you look at the comment section of my videos of people talking about how they failed at carnivore because their protein was too high. And they developed several different types of issues, such as high iron, high B12, constipation, back pain, heart palpitations. The list goes on and on when people eat too much protein, high blood sugar. So you really want to go high fat, but you want to make sure that your gallbladder is working. And I still think that Halle Berry is looking pretty damn good at, I think she's 57 or 58. She's in my age group, but she's been doing this ketogenic diet for a very, very long time. Let's see here. These media pictures are not always realistic. A lot of them are retouched. This one doesn't. This actually looks true to form of how she looks today. She looks good though. She still looks good. I like looking at these famous people when they're just like going to the store and not press pictures. Because again, press pictures are always, she's 59 now? She looks good. She does. But yeah, Halle Berry's been doing keto, her version of a ketogenic diet for a very, very, very long time. And although I do not believe she's in ketosis, whatever she's doing has kept her, at least on the outside, looking good. I mean, she probably doesn't eat the processed food. She's probably eating grass-fed meats. She is eating low starch because she says she eats legumes, but maybe she doesn't today. But yeah, this is what Halle Berry looks like on all these press pictures. Which she's not a person that I actually frown upon. I actually have a little bit of respect for her. I know right now she's talking a lot about going through menopause and hot flashes and all that, but today this is all about the ketogenic diet, which I know she's done it for a very long time. And I mean, she's done it for years and years and years, her version of a ketogenic diet. And that also goes down that lane of, do you need to be in ketosis to be healthy? No, because I don't believe that she is, with nuts and legumes. But whatever she's doing, it's keeping her going on the outside now. She could have more health problems. We wouldn't know. We really wouldn't. But I want to go and break down more of people who are notorious and famous doing carnivore diets, ketogenic diets, and give you my take on what they're doing and sort of clarify some of the information. And there you go. To learn more, you can go to stephanieperson.com and book a consultation if you feel like you're struggling with your ketogenic diet or carnivore diet, low carb, high fat. I also run a course where I cover all 3 diets, because not everybody can do a ketogenic diet or a carnivore diet. Some people can't eat carbs. Yeah. My Facebook fan page is Stephanie the Business Person. Website is stephanieperson.com. And my Instagram is Stephanie Ketogenic. And I'm out because now I got to edit this. Peace.